Nothing separates a man from his car and his dog. Hey everyone, John Chow here with johnchow.com. I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. And it's looks like it's gonna be a big show. So let's go check it out. Jeez. Here we have Simon's Camaro, James's Audi R8, and oh, check it out, we have a Bugatti, a Chiron Super Sport. Oh, a lot of people around it. All right, so excuse me, guys. Excuse me. All right, so this is a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. I believe it's the same car being tested by Car and Driver. Yeah, it starts off with a base price of $3.4 million, but there's almost $500,000 of options on this car. For example, this moonroof that does not open, that's $65,000 for that piece of glass there. This carbon fiber weave paint job adds almost $100,000 to the price. Yeah, the painting of those calipers there, yeah, that costs extra money too. I'm gonna post exactly how much all these options cost and list them bit by bit so you can check it out. But yeah, that's cool. And check it out, we have another Chiron. Wow. So this is a Chiron Pure Sport. So this one here is basically like the Super Sport, except it's not as long. The tail's a little shorter and the wing is different. So the wing doesn't move up, whereas the Super Sport, this wing deploys up and down, while that wing is fixed. Yeah, and check out the detail on that engine with the bronze, matching bronze paint here, and matching bronze wheels. Wow, this is stunning. The body just has been painted, so whereas that one, the body is a bluish tint carbon fiber. And here we have a Mclaren P1. So this is one of the Holy Trinities, along with the Ferrari and the one by Porsche, the 918. So showing some wear there. This must be the 007 edition. Check out that deployable spoiler. Pretty damn cool. Pretty damn cool. And this right here is the new Arctura. The new McLaren Arctura. Yeah, actually this is the prototype. This is not a production model. So, yeah, actually it says right here. It's a prototype test vehicle. All right, so 4 cars that are double parked because they're very special cars. They deserve 2 parking spaces. All right, so then these here are the normal supercar. A Lamborghini. Hey, hello, John. Yeah, and 992. 11650. Another Porsche. GT3. GT2. Ferrari 360, 650 convertible, 570, another 570. Oh, Ferrari 812 GTS. So this is a hot top convertible Ferrari. It's good. So you can see the hot top convertible here. So these 2 pieces go into the car once you engage convertible mode. You know, and it's got aftermarket Novatec wheels. In fact, this one is a Novatec body kit. So those are Novatec side skirts. Quite nice. Ooh, a nice green SVJ. An LDL8 with a giant wing in the back. Rear-wheel drive Huracan. GT3 RS. 992 GT3. F8 Ferrari Tributo. Aventador. 765 LT with the optional roof scoop. So check this out. This scoop costs more than a Honda Accord. Yeah, this little piece right here. Ready to go on the rally. Convertible R8. Another GT3. 720. 488. 720 Spider. Ferrari F12. Another 360. A GT3 with a giant wing. That is, yeah, this guy trying to win the contest for biggest wing at Cars and Coffee. That's pretty big. Even bigger than his Viper's wing. And Viper's got big wings. As well as a big V10. 8 liters of American power right there. Oh, look, it's Kit. Kit has been reborn, and he's a Cadillac. Mary Kay Cadillac. Oh, I love this. I love this. What a nice looking Mini, complete with wood fenders. Yeah, it's a Woody. Right down to the surfboard. God, I love it. And check out that interior. Check out that interior. Wow, it's completely redone and restored. Surf Shark. Oh, look at this Cadillac. Wow. That's beautiful. And it totally dwarfs this thing. Toyota Off-Road Club. Yep. Car clubs are always welcome. Nissan 300 with a GTR engine. Wow. Single-sided turbo. Inline 6. Wow. Lots of carbon. No air filter. You know, whatever goes in there, goes in there. Okay, so check it out. It's the Mercedes EQS. This is Mercedes' answer to the Tesla Model S. Mercedes all-electric luxury sedan. Yeah. So we have obviously the automatic trunk. Pretty good trunk space here. Yeah, it's less than the S-Class, but decent. The deployable doors. And this has the regular interior, not that hyper screen interior that with the screen across the entire dash. And this here, if you're wondering, is for windshield washer fluid. Yeah, so windshield washer fluid because you cannot open this hood. There's no frunk, so it only has a trunk. Yeah. So space-wise, it's not as roomy as the Tesla Model S. It's bigger than a Tesla Model S, just slightly bigger, but the has less interior space, less trunk space, less performance, and costs more money. But it's a Mercedes, so there you go. That is one luxurious dog. And you're the chauffeur. Ooh, check out this Raptor. Nice. Complete with a wrench. LED lights everywhere. I like it. All you need, one single instrument in the center. Oh wow, it's an Avante. I haven't seen one of these in forever. Yeah, the Avante. And oh my God, they swapped it with a Chevy 360, a 350. Yeah, so a Chevy Power Avante. Cool. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Green on the outside, green on the inside, all to make you green with envy. Speaking of green, check out the Taycan. A green car with a green paint job. Oh, check out this off-road pickup. Big tires. And look at that suspension setup. Oh my words. No fender liners, no nothing. You can see the tires and the big Chevy LS swap. Nice. Another green car. $570. Stripes on a matte black F8. Oh, the 765 with a fade paint job, very nice. STO Huracan, green with Envy Lambo, a 720 with a fake roof scoop. Another McLaren, Lamborghini Urus, the real Lamborghini. The other Lamborghini. F8, Performante, another F8, Noble, a Gallardo, and a vintage Ferrari, and a lot of motorcycles. Yeah. Motorcycles are welcome at South Coast Cars and Coffee, and since the sun is out, so are the motorcycles.